Two giants in health insurance go head-to-head. One big question: which one really puts your health first? On one side, Anthem, a trusted leader with nationwide reach. And on the other, Oscar Health, the tech-forward newcomer shaking up the industry. Let's move past the marketing jargon and dive into what actually matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner could surprise you. Alright, here's your map for today's showdown. We're sizing these up on price and value, their provider network, digital experience, customer service, plan flexibility, and of course, reputation and stability. We'll hit each of these, break it down, and by the end you'll see who comes out on top. Let's kick things off with price and value. First up is Anthem. It's known for competitive premiums, especially if you're part of a big employer group or shopping for subsidized ACA plans. But it's kinda notorious for those higher deductibles on certain plans, and honestly, finding the real cost, not always straightforward. On the flip side, Oscar Health is super transparent with pricing. What you see is what you get, and their lower-cost plans are, pretty enticing in a lot of markets. Plus, you can get easy online estimates, which is refreshing, but if you want those super fancy, all-encompassing plans, Oscar might leave you hanging. That said, overall, Oscar absolutely nails price and value for most people. Next up, let's talk networks. Anthem, oh man, it is huge. It has the biggest provider list in the whole US. There's a strong national presence, which is actually a game changer if you travel or move a lot. The one gripe: sometimes you'll find out-of-state coverage is a little restricted depending on your plan. Now, Oscar, they team up with select local hospitals and really focus on quality, so if you're in the right spot, it can be awesome. But the network's pretty small and they're only in limited states. That's a pretty big catch. So in terms of network, Anthem's the clear winner here. Switching gears, digital experience. Anthem, I gotta say, the web portal and app do the job, but it does feel a little like you're stuck in 2014 sometimes. You'll see people complaining about glitchy mobile experiences too. Oscar, however, here where they shine. Their app is honestly one of the best out there, super quick for telemedicine claims, all of it. It's not flawless, occasionally someone has an app glitch, but generally it's just smooth and way more modern. So digital experience, Oscar takes it. Oh, and here's something cool, or honestly, just wild. Did you know Oscar Health was the first to roll out a COVID-19 risk assessment tool in their app right in the middle of the pandemic? That's pretty innovative. I mean, who was even thinking about that at the time? Okay, let's get into customer service. Anthem has a massive support operation, but yeah, you guessed it, bigger isn't always better. You'll hear a ton about slow claims, complicated red tape, and just mixed reviews. Oscar, it's like having a personal assistant, concierge-style service, and their chat support actually responds quickly, which is honestly rare these days. The catch: that great service is only if you live where Oscar actually operates. Still, Oscar wins in this category hands down. Now, plan variety and flexibility. Anthem offers basically everything under the sun: individual, employer, Medicare, Medicaid, you name it. Tons of customization, although the paperwork can get pretty dense and a bit overwhelming. Oscar keeps things much simpler. All their plans are ACA compliant, and it's easy to pick one if you're an individual or maybe in a small group. But if you want more than that, well, Oscar's selection isn't huge. So if you want options, Anthem totally owns this one. Finally, reputation and stability. Anthem is literally a Fortune 500 heavyweight. We're talking financial strength, decades in the industry. This thing isn't going anywhere. It can feel a little corporate, maybe like you're just a number, but still, solid as a rock. Oscar, meanwhile, is kind of the cool new kid with big ideas. They're really popular with young folks and tech lovers, but their market share is way smaller. They've even pulled out of some markets, and their profits are kind of all over the place. So yeah, Anthem dominates here. If you're more of a visual person, here's a quick radar chart of how these two stack up across every category. You'll definitely spot which one's more well-rounded versus who has serious strengths in specific areas. So what's my verdict? Anthem is the safe, catch-all bet if you want maximum network reach, stability, and loads of plan choices. But maybe you're tired of old-school insurance. If you're all about seamless tech and don't mind being in a smaller insurance pool, Oscar could be way more fun. Just make sure it's actually available in your area. If you found this breakdown even a little bit helpful, go ahead and subscribe for more honest, no-nonsense health plan comparisons. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming up next.